chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo. Ineno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo.
Kamora ma intiere kawuono en tarik 8 dwe no endo mar abich higa mar 2024 arokni machiegni ewijo weche mawa ikoni odiochieng' ma kawuono kawachako kod wachno endo mar aburano endo mar thicho oko e apisi jatend migaono endo mar pur mapacho ka endi mano Linthe Kalinturi ochakore ayanga odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi.
From tomorrow morning and especially over the weekend and everything, and we will submit our report to National Assembly on Monday at 2:30. Committee, we are committed and we will be very objective. We will depend on the evidence and facts that will be laid before us.
He was a gentleman indeed. He would have resigned by now. He would have resigned by now. We will be appealing to partners of Kenya, including ambassadors of the nations that partner with Kenya in development, starting from the US, the High Priest of Sanity, that they dissociate and henceforth stop dealing any dealings with the Linthe Kalinturi.
Komachielo eni jawuoyo elo piny owacho mapacho ka endi mano Isaac Mwaura owacho ni akwan ji makwan gi oheo 200 ne owito ngimagi mano kaluwore kod koth mapek ma osebedo ka chwe pacho ka endi ka koth mapek no endo osekelo midhiero mathoth e sub counties kata counties ma opogore e pacho ka endi ka koro bende okwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo omi obed motang' e sechegi eki ma koth mapek medo chwe e pacho ka endi.
The next 2 days are quite crucial from tomorrow morning and especially over the weekend and everything, and
we condole with friends and families who have lost their loved ones and also empathize with those who are recovering from injuries resulting from the poor weather conditions. It is unfortunate that agricultural activities have also been impacted across the country, with a total of 7,533 acres of agricultural land being destroyed and 4,003 livestock have died. The devastating effects of the floods and landslides are also being felt in the education sector, with various schools experiencing infrastructural disruption and hosting internally displaced persons, IDPs. As of today, 1,203 primary schools have been affected. The heavy rains have also impacted 439,081 primary school students, 294 secondary schools, and 124,358 secondary school students. Additionally, 3,945 toilets in primary schools have sunken, and 81 roofs in secondary schools have been blown off, thereby preventing the resumption of normal academic activities. Dispensaries and health facilities in Tana River, Kisumu, Kajiado, Busia, and Kisumu counties have been flooded, and the roads leading to some of these have been cut off by these landslides or mudslides and water. This has rendered the facilities inaccessible and hampered disaster operations in the area. There is, however, enhanced disease surveillance in all of the counties for acute diarrheal disease, febrile illnesses, injuries, and other diseases. We are very sad to report that we have already lost 238 lives. That is 8 more deaths in the last 24 hours. Yesterday we lost 1. So that is why the whole number is coming 238. And it has really increased because only a week ago we had only lost 54 people. So you can almost see nearly 200 people have lost their lives in a span of a week. So it's quite serious. A total number of 174 people have been injured and 75 individuals cannot be
Komachielo wayudo ni miyo moro ma ikintiere diere mano mawuoka e kaunti no endo ma Migori ne oyudo hinyruok marach mokalo mano kaluore kod sienyruok mar lo e sechego eko mane odhi nyime kod chenro meke mag kunyo mula e kor gwengego eko makono. Miyo no ne oringodo e kar yudo thieth mondo omine oyud thieth e yuno endo ma owinjore.
I go by the name Velobi. Odichieng' makawuono wachopo e dala mar jaduong' Jorim Ojijo mayudre e Nyarombo village e Isakwa ward, Awendo constituency in Migori county. Jaduong' Jorim Ojijo nyocha min ode oyudo masira e kar manyo goldi miluongo ni Nyabwanga gold mine. Janet Aoko noyudo masira ni endi kanodhi e yor manyo kama lo noime kendo lo noturo nding'e.
Tarik 2 dwe mar achiel kana wuok kana dhi manyo to jaode be kana no dhi manyo koro wadhi nyaka kanyo wayudo kiyare lo kanyo koro wayare mogole
nyinga Janet Aoko uma to nadhi mana manyo e gold mine ma Nyabwanga to nayude hinyruok. Lo no amalo nogoya noturo ndinga balafu otera hospital Migori wakwongo wadonjo Dede kasto tera Migori kasto bang'e otera Kisii.
My name is Caroline Nyamoti. I'm a physiotherapist. I'm a physiotherapist at Ogembo Sub-County Hospital, and I've been attending to Janet Aoko, who happened to get a spinal injury following a fall during mining. She sustained injuries on her lower spine, which made her not to be able to move her lower limbs. So to say, the lower limbs were paralyzed.
Kwayo nata kwaya ni ka kony moro nyalo yudore to gikonya nikech an piny onge gima nyalo. Koro kata mana yoro hospital no kanitie kaka nyalo konya. Podo kanyal dhi lach podo kanyal layo podo layo gi mipira. Mangiso ni pok thieth odonjo maber. Nikech kaka nahinyo ndinga to kotera Migori to obudho kapok oketna mpira to ayudo ka piny okuot. Taluongo daktari akono to ketona mpira no.
To the spinal specialist, he stated that walking is not going to be possible, but maybe she may gain some power of which will not be able to make her stand up and walk.
Nyikora Mugejuang, wakwayo kod mulo, ne jo siasa, ne jotend kanisa, ne welwisha mora mora, machunye ni thuolo, ma video ni odonjone.
Kopogore kod mago eko to wayudo ni jatenda piny Kenya Migosi William Ruto ne oyudo sira mar omenda makwane romo milion 300 amara siro wechego eko mag dongruok e kor gwenge ma opogore e pacho ka endi kane wacho ni omenda no endo ibilo chwala e counties ma opogore mondo omi okela dongruok ne sub counties manitiere e pacho ka endi koda ka counties go.
The next 2 days are quite crucial from tomorrow morning, and
we
qualified as satisfactory is because certain things did not go properly. We must get it right this time round. I want to commit to my colleagues, governors and leaders here that we will go out of our way to assist you to make sure that this program is implemented in an accountable manner so that the people of Kenya get value for the resources that eventually we are going to pay. Equally critical is the county governments to increase on-source revenue and to allocate a greater portion to urban development activities. For our part, the national government is establishing the National Urban Development Fund to anchor the urban development agenda.
Magwe makelowa e giko weche manyien na maniwa ikoni odiochieng' makawuono meda tudori kodwa mano e Facebook marwa @chunyonagi TV, YouTube chunyonagi TV mondo yuda moko mathoth ka wang'o molosa achiel e wang'e weche manyien biro medo donjoni ka endi e yorno endo maradimba ka uriti masani nyinga Sheila Magare.